Hey, hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're talking about starting a YouTube channel. I've had this conversation with so many people who've told me they're thinking about starting their own YouTube channel or they've thought about it, but they're not really sure whether they should do it or not. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the subject here. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Cuneta, and I create videos to help people transform themselves and their lives. So make sure you're subscribed and you ring the bell so we can be in alignment. Now, like I said, guys, we're talking about starting a YouTube channel, and I definitely believe if you are at all interested in starting your own YouTube channel, if you've ever thought about it, then go out and try it. Because, guys, it's an amazing place to share your passions, to share your talents, to really nurture your creative abilities and, craft a video and share that with the entire world. And guys, in the almost a year since I started my YouTube channel, it'll actually be a couple weeks from today from recording this video, is when I posted my first video last year. It's been an amazing journey for me so far. And I've been able to, share my talents, share things I'm learning, share things that I really am passionate about. And by doing that, I am connecting with so many incredible people all over the world. Guys, I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you for checking out my videos. Thank you to all you guys who watch my videos on a regular basis. You are so amazing, and you're literally supporting me in pursuit of my dreams, so you guys are awesome. But like I said, guys, you should definitely go for it if you've thought about it at all. Or maybe you haven't thought about it, but definitely go for it, because you're never going to know if you really enjoy it until you try it. It's a great way for you to explore and, like I said, nurture your talents and, maybe discover new passions that you have. You might discover that you do have a passion for filmmaking, for, really, diving into, editing those videos and creating incredible videos, because there's so many different kinds of videos you can create on YouTube. It doesn't have to just be you in front of the camera like this talking. It can be, like a voiceover. It can be an animation. It can be like a vlog. There's so many different formats of videos you can create. It's all about doing things that you're passionate about. It's all about centering it around your passions. And guys, I believe your passions are so important in fueling your, progress, not just on YouTube, but for any other avenue of life, because it helps you to stay motivated. When you're really passionate about the work you do, people can see it. And it really, really helps make a difference in fueling you forward and taking you further in life. So guys, make some videos about your passions. If you have thought about a YouTube channel, then make some videos, set some time aside. Maybe start out just like once a week or something. Make a video once a week and post it up on your channel and just get started. Because guys, like I said, you're never gonna know until you go out and try it. Just like everything else in life, it's so great to have that explorer's mindset, have that mindset of adventure, of seeking new things, seeking new experiences, because it's just literally expanding your mind, expanding your experience, and you learn a lot of things about the world, learn a lot of things about yourself in the process. So guys, if you have thought about starting a YouTube channel, then go out and do it. And it definitely might seem a little scary at first, putting yourself out there like that, especially if you make like a talking video like this. If you're talking about something crazy or whatever it is, it might seem a little bit scary to put yourself out like that. And it might feel weird sitting in front of a camera talking. It might feel weird watching a video of yourself, listening to yourself. And that's definitely how I felt at first. But guys, every single video you make, it's gonna become easier. Every single video you make, you're gonna become better at making videos. You're gonna become better at editing. You're gonna become more familiar with the whole uploading and posting process on YouTube. Literally everything is gonna get easier the more that you do it, just like any other practice in life as well. And guys, the amazing thing is about YouTube, you're not just sharing your passions, nurturing your passions, connecting with all kinds of people, but it can also be an amazing opportunity for a career. And yes, I definitely believe that you can build a sustainable career on YouTube. I'm in the process of doing it myself. I've shared with you guys before that my goal is to be able to go full-time into YouTube, and I am generating a little bit of money so far, not enough to completely go full-time yet, but guys, that's the goal for me. That's the journey. I'm making my way there every single day, making progress. Every single video I make, every single day that passes, I'm making progress towards that goal. And guys, imagine that. Imagine being able to make YouTube videos for a career. And there's a lot of YouTubers that make stupid amounts of money. Just imagine being able to take your camera with you wherever you go, or like I said, it doesn't have to be just a camera, it can be animations and stuff like that. But imagine being able to make videos anywhere in the world from your camera, from your smartphone, from your laptop, and get paid a great amount of money to do that. Just imagine that. You can literally go on vacation for 2 months and be making money on vacation. You can literally, you literally just have so much freedom and so much flexibility in your life, and you're literally just engaged in your passions every single day. Imagine that. So guys, to me, YouTube is an amazing, amazing opportunity. It's an amazing platform, not just to share your passions and nurture your passions and your talents, but it can also become an incredible career sometime down the road. So guys, once again, for the 100th time, if you've thought about YouTube or if you're interested in YouTube at all, then go ahead and make your first video. Keep on going, make your first 10 videos. And guys, if you do end up doing that, then tag me in them or share them with me, or come back to this video in the comments and share your videos with me, because I would love to watch your YouTube videos and give you some positive feedback. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know if you have a YouTube channel. Put it down there, guys. Go check out the comments. Check out everyone's YouTube channels. We're going to create an awesome conversation down there today. Don't forget to check out the description. Reach out to me on Instagram with any other questions or comments you guys have. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.